Hi everyone. Do you want to know how to create a table of content in Google Docs? We will teach you that. So this is perfect for reports, assignments, ebooks, or any long document. So let's get started. So first you have the Google Doc open and you have the content you have here. There are no table of content here. So let's click one. Just go to the insert and then go to the page elements and then go to table of contents. There are three options. One is plain text, the next one is dotted, and then comes links. I'll go with the plain text, but you can choose the others too. So when you put that, you'll see like there are no table of content here yet. It says like add headings, format, and paragraph style, and they will appear in your table of content. So the thing is like you have to select H1. By that I mean your title, headers, heading 3, like that. So let's um, make introduction the title. Okay, then phase 1 will make it let's say like heading 1. Then the rest too, like heading 1 depends like the design you have. Like this one is actually going to be heading 2 because it falls under phase 1. Same goes for this. Now phase 2 is going to be, I will set it as heading 1 because we set the phase 1 as heading 1. Same for this team communication. This is going to be heading 2. This is going to be heading 2. Phase 3 will be heading 1. And you know what? Yeah, this one is going to be heading 2. This one will be heading 2. And the conclusion, the last one will be heading 1 again. Okay, so when you move back to the first, click here and then select this update table of contents. See, this is done now and it's even showing the pages where they are. So if you have long documents, you can like set the headings this way.